In this video, we are going to set up counter circuit using IC 7490 and 7493.
Using 7493 IC, we can set up any mode counter, that is mode 7, mode 9, mode 12, mode 13, etc. up to mode 16. But using IC 7490, it is possible to set up only mode 5 and mode 10 counter. It is known as a decade counter, that is mode 10 counter. Why? Because by using this IC, we can count from 0 to 9. It consists of 4 master JK flip-flop. Firstly, let's see the working of mode 5 and mode 10 conversion of decade counter IC 7490. Here, there are two reset input R01 and R02. If these two pins are active high, then the flip-flop will reset. That is, counter get reset to 0, 0, 0, 0. Under normal working condition, that is counting condition, any one of these input R01 and R02 should make active low, and other one is don't care. Similarly, there are another two set of input R91 and R92. Using these pins, we can set the counter to 1001, that is 9. During normal working condition, that is counting condition, just like earlier, any one should be active low and other is don't care. Here we can see that R01, R02, R91, R92 all are grounded, that is active low. Now let's see how to set this decade counter to mode 5 counter. Here we can see there are two clock pins, clock A and clock B. Clock A is for first flip-flop, that is mode 2. That is, using clock A, we can drive a mode 2 counter. Similarly, using clock B, we can drive a mode 5 counter. Clock A is pin number 14, clock B is pin number 1. To work it as mode 5 counter, we will remove clock A and clock input is given to pin number 1, that is clock B. Also, we will ignore QA. Here we are not using QA. The output pins are QB, QC and QD, where QB is LSB bit and QD is MSB bit. So the sequence of output is QB, QC, QD. This is LSB and this is MSB. In order to set up a mode 10 counter using this IC, clock signal is given to clock A, that is pin number 14, and clock B is connected to QA, that is pin number 12. Now the outputs are QA, QB, QC, QD, where QA is LSB and QD is MSB bit. Now let's see the implementation of this mode 5 and mode 10 counter in digital IC trainer kit. This is the setup for mode 5 counter using 7490 decade IC. Here clock signal is given to pin number 1. Pin number 14 is not connected. Nothing is connected on clock A, that is pin number 14. Output is taken from QB, QC and QD. So as shown here, 2, 3, 6, 7 are shorted and given to ground. Pin number 10 is grounded and VCC is connected to pin number 5. Now let's see the counting. Now it is 0, 0, 0. When I am giving first pulse, it will count 1. Then 2, that is 0, 1, 0, that is 2. Next 0, 1, 1, that is 3. Next 4. Then after that it will reset to 0, 0. Why? Because it will count from 0 to 4 only. So that is mode 5 counter. We can see that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, again 0. This is mono pulse. Now let's see the same thing. It is automatically happening by giving appropriate clock. Say I am going to connect to clock signal having frequency 1 Hz. You can see the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now let's use this as mode 10 counter. That is, we can count from 0 to 9. What we need to do in order to obtain that one? We need to connect clock to pin number 14, that is clock A, and pin number 1, that is clock B, should be connected to output QA, that is pin number 12. If we are doing like this, we can see that this IC will work as decade counter, that is we can count from 0 to 9. Let's see that one. Now wiring is over. Let's switch on this one. Now it is automatically counting. Why? Because we connected to frequency 1 Hz. Clock signal having frequency 1 Hz. We can see that one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that it will reset. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we can see the same thing by applying mono pulse. We can reconnect these two here. I am giving first a pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that it will reset. Again 1, 2, 3 and so on. In this way we can set up mode 5 and mode 10 counter using 7490 decade counter IC. Next, let's see the working of 7493 IC. Firstly, let's see how to set up mode 16 counter using 7493 IC. For that, clock B, that is pin number 1, is directly connected to QA, that is pin number 12, and clock signal is connected to clock A, that is pin number 14. Here the output is QA, QB, QC, QD, that is pin number 12, 9, 8 and 11. QA is LSB and QD is MSB. Here the normal ground is 10 and 5 is VCC, that is plus 5 volt. And as we know, R01 and R02 is connected to ground. Now let's see the working of mode 16 counter. This is the mode 16 counter. Here R0 and R1 is connected to ground and output is QA, QB, QC, QD. This is LSB and this is MSB. It is starting from 0. I am applying pulse, become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15 it will reset to 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you are giving this to 1 Hz clock, it will automatically change the count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50 and 0, 1 and so on. In mode 12, we need to connect the clock signal to clock A and clock B and QA are connected just like this one. Here we need to count from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 1, 1, that is up to 11. We can have totally 12 count 0 to 11. So under mode 12 condition, this counter will count from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the next number? QD and QC become 1. So from next number onwards, QD and QC become 1. That means under that condition onwards, we need to give a high pulse to R01 and R02 so that this counter IC will reset to 0. So QD and QC are directly connected to R01 and R02. so that after 11, that is 12 to 15, this signal QD and QC will be high. That will clear 7493 IC. Count becomes 0. So it will count from 0000 to 1011 only. That is, it is a mod 12 counter under this condition.
Now let's see the implemented circuit, that is mod 12 counter in digital trainer kit.
This counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at 12 it is clearing, that is 0. So it is a mod 12 counter. Suppose we need to make a mod 7 counter using this IC. What logic we need to make? A mod 7 counter will count from 0 to 6 only. That means totally it will count 7 numbers, 0 to 6. So during 7, we need to create a logic circuit such that it will clear 7493 IC. In general, depending on mode selection requirement, we need to design a suitable logic circuit to give an active high signal to R01 and R02 after the required count. It is to be noted that here the clock signal is connected to clock B pin, that is pin number 1. In mod 7, you need to connect QD and QC to the input of AND gate, and that output is connected to any one of these two reset inputs, R01 or R02, and QB is connected directly into other inputs, that is R02 here. Under this condition, it will act as mod 7 counter. Here it is to be noted that there is no need of clock A. Here in clock B, we are connecting clock signal, and the output is taken from QB, QC, QD.